would be the last wig video for a while. David Bradley in the TV room here. I've got things to do, but I just wanted to get to this one book. Programming the Pet CBM by Rato Colin West, who I've never met. Don't know where he's from, don't know anything, but this book, oh my. This was really, like people called, remember when I went to school and there were these guys who were kind of snooty, uppity, like, oh yeah, well, they would call the manual that came with the Commodore PET. Whenever it was red, like a picture of the pet. I like the looks of the manual better than the cartoony thing that came out later, but they would call it the Pet Bible. No. This is the Pet Bible. Programming the Pet CBM by Rato Colin West. The book described by Jim Butterfield is unquestionably the most comprehensive and accurate reference I have seen to date. And if you don't know who Jim Butterfield is, we'll talk about that later. The reference encyclopedia for the Commodore 2000, 3000, 4000, 8000 series of computers and peripherals. Here's just a sample of reviewer and reader reaction from the readers. A book the average to advanced user cannot afford not to possess. My copy of your programmer's Pet CBM has been in daily use for nearly a month, and I'm finding it totally addictive, suffering severe withdrawal symptoms whenever I try half-heartedly to move on to other reading materials. It is without doubt the best book on its subject available today. Ta-da! This one. Oh, it's in the back here. This too. Oh, is it all here? I hope it's all here. Oh yeah, it's here. It's a whole lot of pages. Yeah, how many pages? 504 pages. This is the phone book. This is the Bible. This is, it may be available PDF. This one has seen, like it's taped back together. This one has seen a lot of life. A lot of life. Yeah. Incredible. This is the Bible. It is programming a Pet CBM. And it does look like it has things to do with machine language. So maybe this too is a book that I will see. Now this big sucker. But my golly. And I have no idea what became of Rato Colin West. It was by Compute Books Publications. $39.95 way back when. Oh boy, this is a volume of wonder. Wonder. This is probably, I talked about trying to fix this book. This is probably a book. But maybe. Not really. I'm sticking it on there. It really still doesn't have the juice to flatten this. But I'm sure I can figure something out. Maybe when I put this all back into another box. Maybe I'll put this book under here and see what's left. Maybe. Possibly. Oh yeah. More stuff. Anyway. I cannot continue recording at this time. I have things to do, people to go, people to see, places to go, sort of, kind of. And I'm going to find another banker's box so I can set this stuff aside. I shall, but we're not done with this box yet. There's always more until the box is empty, including, but not limited to, this and ebook. This is an amazing thing. Special reference issue by the Transactor for the Commodore 64. I'm still in touch with the man, the Transactor man, Carl Hilton. Still around. He is. And you know what? Transactor, while he was doing it, had the best covers of any such things. And I look here, I remember even Commodore had their monitor out, we had an M-Deck monitor hooked up to a Commodore 64. We did. So, anyway, alright, that's it. That's all for now. Have a lovely, lovely day. Wait for it.